The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through, and every step quicker than the last.
And there it is, guys. We found it. Raven Cliffs Falls Trail. Or Raven Cliffs Falls. Just kidding. We still have a long way to go.
But your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down. But your love lifts me back to solid ground. And oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag.
Well, we're on one of the many waterfalls that we've seen. Oh, we're just following the creek, and the creek has some waterfalls. So we're just kind of following them.
So sure I've had my doubts, but I must keep pushing through. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground.
Raven Cliff Falls.
Raven Cliff Falls. We just got done. Now we're going to head back, I guess. And then we're going to go paddleboarding. Good morning. It's our last morning in our cabin in Hiawassee, Georgia. Keith and I right now are trying to get all our stuff together and get it going so that way we can get in the car, and we're going to be heading off to Anna Ruby Falls this morning. We're going to try to get to the top before anybody else. They only fit 65 cars at the top, and then I think it's like a 0.5 mile hike from the parking lot. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that we'll get to the top and we'll be able to go see Anna Ruby Falls this morning. We've really enjoyed our trip to Georgia, hiking in the mountains, and we just enjoyed everything, all the waterfalls, all the nature. We've seen a couple of deers driving by as we're leaving our cabin in the morning, and no bears though. I've been looking for bears, but no bears. But we've really enjoyed it, and we hope that you guys have enjoyed. There was a bee. I hope you enjoyed our footage and our pictures. Like and subscribe to us on YouTube, or you can also follow us on Instagram at Average Lost Couple. So, see you out there. Ruby Falls, and they changed their time that they're open. So they don't open until 10 a.m. 10 a.m. And it is 8:31. It says online that they open at 9, which it does also say that they're subject to change. So we are now going to be heading to Helen.
Alright, well, we're in Ruby Falls right now. It turns out they did open at 9, even though the signs and online said 10. We decided to show up a little early, and we were just gonna wait at the gate. But, well, God, hiking's tiring.
It's all kind of
We're going uphill right now, so yeah, we got here a little early, and they happened to be open. So we came in, and we're one of the first people here. So we'll show you Ruby Falls whenever we get there.
The city keeps me distracted, but I know where I should be. Tell my mama I'm leaving. Just take your mask off and join me. I know you're dying to see all the secrets I'm hiding. One day soon I will find. I know I am close. I know I will shine. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. To get right off the stress that builds within me. Oh, I want to take off my clothes and hang from a tree. Oh, one day soon I will find. I know I am close. I know I will shine. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle.
My entire boot went in, well, not entire boot, but the entire front.
No, it was the entire back part of your boot.
Oh, it's my whole boot.
It went all the way up to, it went all the way up to the top.
It's my whole boot, guys.
What's up, guys? We're up here.
Not like that. What are you gonna do?
What's up, guys? We're out here paddleboarding, but we're sitting down because we're lazy.